Hi, I'm Robert and I work for United HVAC Motors. We sell ECM 2.3 and X13 motors. Today I'm going to show you how to ohm out your motor. I'm going to grab my field piece multimeter. I'm going to turn it to the lowest setting on ohms, which is about 200 usually. I'm going to take the 3 wires that we have connected to the motor and I'm going to test the back side of the plug to not do any damage to the other end. I'm going to go black to blue. And the first reading, well, it does have to be very still, no shaking, no moving. And it should read out a consistent number. 13.5 would be good. I'm going to go black to red. And this is going phase to phase. Hold it nice and tight, not moving around. A little bit of vibration always changes it. And then I'm going to take the last combination and go blue to red. Okay, should be equal across all 3. And that would complete the face-to-face test on a motor. We also, if you were to test at 1/3 horsepower, it would be slightly higher. It would be about 22.7 ohms. Half horsepower again would be about 13.5. Your 3/4 horsepower would be approximately 7.8 ohms, and a 1 horsepower would approximately be 5.8. The importance of testing your module face to face is, even though it is running and turning smoothly, if one of those legs are bad, it will cause damage to the module and could cause them to fail prematurely.